Very warm welcome to the Trading Mentor. Hope you're well today. This is a video on the advanced chart system, one of the many techniques which we use, which is very profitable, and I'll show you how it works, why it works, and why it would work for you. All the information we give is for educational purposes only. Give a man a fish, feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, feed him for life. And we are giving you and teaching you, giving you a fishing rod so you can pick your own fish. Disclaimer, all our content is intended to be used for educational and informational purposes only. We do not offer any investment advice. We are not regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. So, into the markets, and we're using the advanced software. The advanced software we use with TradingView is been tested over many years, and I wanted you to see this. This is an hourly chart of the US Canadian. All these orange lines are support and resistance, and with the advanced chart we don't look at trends. We're looking at price action. So here we can see the support and resistance, and whenever the price moves down to a support line, then it tends to be a buy, or whether it breaks above the resistance line, it becomes a buy. When it breaks the line, it becomes a sell. Let me make it a little bit clearer. So here's the bottom one is MACD. This is specially designed. All we are interested in is the watermark. So the zero line, which is the black line here, anything below that is a sell, anything above it is a buy. That's the first rule of thumb. Now this is a Stochastic Rsi, it's a combination of the two, specially designed and set up. So what we are, and we have the 200-day moving average, the usual thing. Nothing special there. So we have a combination of support and resistance lines, MACD above the watermark, and we have the RSI, and we're looking for oversold conditions whenever the price is above the watermark, or overbought conditions when the price, the MACD is below the watermark. So you can see here, there would have been a nice sell there if you was at your chart. 123, well 124 is a nice big round number, isn't it? So gone down to 122.80. Here, there was a buy here on that support line, and that would have been a nice profit back up to 124.80. So you can go on. When we get overbought conditions, but the price is above the watermark, these are ignored. When we get oversold conditions, and the price is above the watermark on the MACD, this is very significant. Very significant. So let's do some. So we can spot one there, one there, one there. That should be before that, isn't it? Somewhere around there. Another one there. Another one there. Notice that the price moves above these support line. That's really important. And your stop, for instance, is going to be the next support line below. Now, how we manage this, and how I particularly manage it, is that I would have one position I would have 2 positions, 3, 4, 5 positions going. Now we can't, I'm not at my charts all day, so I can't send these to you, but the odd one that I spot, especially in the morning, I will certainly send to you so you can have a look at it and learn the system. So in terms of a sell, we had on there, and that's it on the US Canadian. US Canadian is 122.87. Let's have a look at a few more. On there. On there. Of course, eventually it's going to run out of steam. Now, interestingly, we're long euro dollar. There's another one there, isn't there? You can see that there. A bit dubious, that one, but it needs to be below the oversold conditions in order to be confirmed. So if you get the picture, what we're looking for is overbought or oversold conditions, but they have to agree with the MACD watermark. And this is just one of the many techniques we have on the advanced course. So look at pound sterling. There we are. You can probably spot them straight away. Yeah. You can probably spot them straight away. Once you've got your chart set up, it's easy to spot. That is not one. That is one. Now, we're not at our charts 24/7, are we? It's not something we recommend or look to do. However, this is just one technique that you can look for during the morning or whenever you've got time to enter. But we will, when we have we're at the charts, we will actually send it to you, so you can actually make your own mind up as to whether it's a nice trade or not. If you're not advanced, advanced is just 20 quid a month, £19.95 per month. And if you just go to the Trading Mentors, .com, scroll down, you'll see a few statements there, and the super trend software, which I haven't shown you today, is fantastic, and that's part of the advanced tutorials. And if you go scroll to the bottom, if it allowed me to eventually, advanced pro membership, it says it there. Normal price is £500, but this has been reduced for the rest of June. Not much time left, actually, 23rd of June now. It's £97 for access to all the tutorials, and then £19.95 a month, and we will teach you all the techniques that we do. So hopefully that's helped you, because I know there's been a lot of questions on to that particular technique, which is fantastic. Any questions, come back to me.